how do you think about superintelligence? Do you think, using this learning efficiency idea, maybe it's just extremely fast at learning new skills or new knowledge? And does it just have a bigger pool of strategies? Is there a single cohesive it in the center that's more powerful or bigger? And if so, do you imagine that this will be sort of godlike in comparison to the rest of human civilization, or does it just feel like another agent or another cluster of agents?
So this is an area where different people have different intuitions. I think it will be very powerful for sure. I think that what I think is most likely to happen is that there will be multiple such AIs being created roughly at the same time. I think that if the cluster is big enough, like if the cluster is literally continent-sized, that thing could be really powerful indeed, right? If you literally have a continent-sized cluster, like those AIs can be very powerful. And all I can tell you is that if you're talking about extremely powerful AIs, like truly dramatically powerful, then yeah, it would be nice if they could be restrained in some ways, or if there was some kind of an agreement or something. Because I think that if you are saying, hey, like if you really, like what is the concern of superintelligence? What is one way to explain the concern? If you imagine a system that is sufficiently powerful, like really sufficiently powerful, and you could say, okay, you need to do something sensible, like care for sentient life, let's say, in a very single-minded way, we might not like the results. That's really what it is. And so maybe, by the way, the answer is that you do not build an RL agent in the usual sense. And actually, I'll point several things out. I think human beings are a semi-RL agent. We pursue a reward, and then the emotions or whatever make us tire out of the reward. We pursue a different reward. The market is it's like a very short-sighted kind of agent. Evolution is the same. Evolution is very intelligent in some ways, but very dumb in other ways. The government has been designed to be a never-ending fight between three parts, which has an effect. So I think things like this. Another thing that makes this discussion difficult is that we are talking about systems that don't exist, that we don't know how to build. Right? That's the other thing. And that's actually my belief. I think what people are doing right now will go some distance and then peter out. It will continue to improve, but it will also not be it. So we don't know how to build. And I think that a lot hinges on understanding reliable generalization. And I'll say another thing, which is one of the things that you could say is that cause alignment to be difficult is that human value, that it's your ability to learn human values is fragile, then your ability to optimize them is fragile. You actually learn to optimize them. And then can't you say, are these not all instances of unreliable generalization? Why is it that human beings appear to generalize so much better? What if generalization was much better? What would happen in this case? What would be the effect? But those we can't, those questions are right now still unanswerable.
If you enjoyed this clip, you can watch the full episode here and subscribe for more clips. Thanks.